This is a fully functional AI assistant running directly inside Telegram. You can ask it to write a poem, solve a coding problem, or draft an email, and it responds instantly. Because this bot is hosted in the cloud, you can close your laptop and walk away. The agent keeps running 24/7, answering from any device. We are going to build this exact Telegram-based assistant using the Hermes AI framework, and we will host it on an Oracle Cloud server that costs exactly $0. Before we start, you need 3 things: a credit card for account validation, you won't be charged, the Telegram app, and an API key from an AI model provider. By setting this up, you bypass monthly subscriptions entirely, giving yourself a private, permanent intelligence resource. Step 1 is securing our hardware. Navigate to the Oracle free tier landing page and click the Start for Free button to create your account. Inside the dashboard, create a new compute instance. Select Ubuntu 24.04 as your operating system. Choose the Ampere shape and allocate 12 gigabytes of memory. Next, run through the Virtual Cloud Network wizard. Keep the default internet connectivity selected so your server gets a public IP address. At the bottom of the creation page, find the SSH key section. Click to download your private and public keys. Do not launch the instance without these files. If you skip this, you'll be permanently locked out. With the instance provisioned and keys saved, you have the raw computing power required for the agent. Now we secure it. Open your local terminal. Run a chmod 400 command on your downloaded private key to restrict read permissions. Then connect to the cloud server using the ssh-i command, followed by your key and the server's IP address. Once logged in, run sudo apt update and upgrade your packages. Install the UFW firewall, explicitly allow port 80, and then enable the firewall. Oracle uses a double firewall system. It blocks incoming traffic at the network level by default, completely independently of the operating system firewall you just configured. Go to your virtual cloud network settings in the Oracle dashboard. Add an ingress rule. Set the source CIDR to 0.0.0.0/0 and open ports 80, 443, and 8000. These security exceptions punch a controlled hole through Oracle's defenses, allowing your bot to communicate with the web. Back in your terminal, paste the Coolify installation script. When the process finishes, the terminal will output a local IP address and port number. Paste that URL into your browser to access the management interface. You could install the AI agent directly onto the server's operating system, but managing dependencies manually is brittle and prone to breaking. Instead, deploy it using Docker Compose through Coolify. This places the agent in an isolated container, preventing software conflicts from bringing down your server. By completing this setup, you turn a raw Linux command line into an easy-to-use visual dashboard. In Coolify, create a new project and select Docker Compose. Paste the Hermes YAML configuration script into the text box and click Deploy. Navigate to the Environment Variables section for your container. Add a path variable so the system globally recognizes the specific Hermes execution commands. Open the Coolify web terminal and type Hermes Setup. The wizard will prompt you to paste in your API key for your AI model, followed by the Telegram bot token you get from Telegram's botfather. If the container fails to start due to a permission denied error, open your main server terminal and run sudo chmod 777 on the specific Coolify services folder to grant the necessary read and write access. The database is configured, the container is running, and API keys are locked in. The brain is now linked directly to your chat interface. Open Telegram and send your bot a message. The agent receives your prompt, queries the AI model, and streams the response back to your device. Your server is doing all the heavy lifting. You can turn your computer off completely, and the bot will remain online and responsive, free of charge. As a final step, use the User Info bot on Telegram to grab your unique ID and restrict your bot's access to only that ID so no one else can consume your API credits. You are no longer renting access to a shared platform. You have built your own private, autonomous AI infrastructure.